Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the environment and grabbing credentials. First, sign into your Azure DevOps org and pick the target project and agent pool. Once done, create a PAT scoped for agent pools so the agent can register. Save it securely. Make sure the machine you'll use meets OS and network requirements and has permissions to install software. Now download the correct agent package for your OS and extract it into a dedicated folder to keep things tidy. You now configure and register the agent so Azure DevOps recognizes it. Run the agent's config script and when prompted, enter the server URL, the agent pool, and the PAT you created. Then name the agent. Make sure you choose a work folder and decide whether to run it interactively for testing or install as a service for reliability. Also install required prerequisites like Net, Docker, or build tools. These let your pipelines actually run builds and tests on this agent. You're at the finish line. Start the agent and verify it appears online in Azure DevOps. If you installed as a service, start that service. If interactive, run the agent program. Once online, queue a simple pipeline job to validate capabilities. If something fails, check the agent diag logs and system logs to identify missing dependencies or permission issues. If registration errors occur, rerun config with the correct PAT and pool, and make sure firewall rules allow outbound connections to DevOps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.